Welcome to my channel, guys, and today we'll be making this cream spinach. If you want to know how, stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, so we're jumping right in. Hot skillet, add the butter. To that butter, we're going to go ahead and add in some diced onions and let those caramelize. Once those are caramelized, minced garlic. Now mix this up. You want to keep mixing that because we don't want it to burn. When we see here it's getting that brown toasty color, add more butter, and then we're going to go ahead and add in here 2 tablespoons of flour. And we're going to go ahead and mix this up because we want to go ahead and make a roux. You want this to get toasty, but again, not burnt. And once it looks like here where we've cooked that flour out so we don't get that frothy taste, we're going to slowly add in our heavy cream here until we get our sauce for our heavy cream to the consistency that we want. Again, like I said, slowly add your heavy cream so that your flour does not clump, and continue to stir. So your mixture is going to be nice and smooth, as well as being as thick as you need it, like you see here. I skipped to this part so you guys could see at what point I stopped adding heavy cream, what my sauce was looking like, and also the thickness and consistency of the sauce, which you'll see here in just a moment. Bam. All right, so now we're going to season our sauce here. So black pepper, and then we'll follow up with some garlic. And we'll go ahead and include some salt. You can also include a dash of nutmeg, but I leave that out personally. After mixing in our seasonings, we're now going to go ahead here and add our cooked and drained spinach. So I steamed the spinach and then went ahead and drained all the additional water out of it. As I use frozen spinach, you can use fresh or frozen spinach at this step. But yeah, that's what I did. And then once we got our spinach all mixed into our creamy mixture, I'm going to add just enough cheese on top to cover the top of our spinach. Mix that in, guys, and that's it. It's so easy and so simple, and I swear it's going to be a hit. Let me know down in the comments how this worked out for you and what other kind of videos you'd like to see. I paired mine up with a ribeye, some lobster tail, and mashed potatoes. Let me know if you guys want videos on this. There are some of these videos actually available on the channel. As always, thanks for stopping. Bye!